Hello everyone. Today we are in the workshop number 4.5. If you have not watched the workshop number 4.1 through 4.4, please go ahead and watch first. Otherwise, you will not have a continuation here. In this session, we are going to be building this email agent. This will work independently, and we are going to build this agent with the help of Lambda, and that Lambda will call the Amazon SCS simple email service, and then that will trigger the required email, and the email will end up in the user's laptop. That is what we're going to be building. Let us go and search for the simple email service. Click the simple email service. We will come under the configuration and click the identities. Here we are going to create identity. Click that create identity. Then we will put the email address, whatever the email address we will put it here. In our case, this is my email address. It is ahandsandminds@gmail.com, and then scroll down and click the create identity. Now you have received the action required here. You just need to go to the email inbox and look for an email, and we do have an email here. Let us open it, and then you will find the link. Click that link, and then now it will say you have confirmed it, you have verified it successfully. Now you should be ready to go. At this point, now we should be able to send an email from the SCS. Let us go and click the send email button. Click the raw, choose the successful delivery, put in your message, and click the send test email. At this point, it should send an email in your inbox. You go and watch it. I have seen a case where it takes a bit longer than instantly. Don't worry, it may not reach immediately. However, by the time we go on develop our functionality, this function should be all working. Let us continue and do the regular hands-on. Now let us go and build the agent. Click the create agent button and then put in your agent name. Our agent name will be agent4_ send email. Click the create button. So at this point, we are going to go faster because you're going to be doing the typical things what you have been doing earlier. Choose your model, click apply, go to GitHub, copy the prompt, come back and paste it. Let us go and create one action group. At this point, we are going to go fast forward. Put your action group name here, and then go to Lambda and create a function. Give the name as send email. And then we're going to be going fast forward because you have been doing it for previous ones. You have to just do it similarly. And then let's create the function here. Now go to the GitHub and copy this Python code, and then come back and replace your code, whatever the default. Delete the default code and save this, deploy it. Now this doesn't need any RDS, so we are not going to do the zip things. And then go back to the agent and link that Lambda function which you just created. And then we're going to copy the API schema from the GitHub. Copy this one and then go and paste it inside the action group by removing the default one. Replace the default one with this one, and then you're going to click save and exit. So at this point, let us scroll down and click the action group, and then let's take a look at the API schema. Let us see how many fields are getting passed. Here you see there's a subject field, and similarly there's a message body. These are the only two fields which we are going to be passing it. Let us take a look at the Lambda. Now I'm in Lambda. If you look at the program, Python program here, you will see the parameter, two parameters coming here. And then the email is hard-coded here. The sender email and the recipient email, we're going to hard-code in a minute. Also the region, we're going to hard-code. So those are the three parameters. Let us go and create in the configuration. Click the configuration. Go to the environment variables. And then we are going to edit and add three variables here. And make sure to put in your email address here and the region here and click save. At this point, you have configured your region and the email. VPC you don't need because we don't have RDS. Permissions we will come back in a minute. Before that, let us go to the general configuration and increase the timeout. Click save. Now click the permissions. We're going to click the execution role. Click that role. We're going to click add permission, create inline policy. We're going to grant this to read the SCA services. That's what we're going to be doing it. Delete the default one and then paste this one. Actually, you have to manually type it. It is not in GitHub. Manually type it and then click next. And then give a policy name. It doesn't matter. You can give any name here as long as there is a name to it. And then click create policy button. So what it does is it has created a policy to access the SCA service and attach to the role that is in the Lambda function. Now click the test tab. Now we should be ready to test. Let us go to the GitHub and copy this JSON file. And then we're going to use this as a test JSON, copy it and come back to the Lambda. And then replace the default one with this. And then let us create a even name and save it. So make a note of it. We have a subject and a message body. Let us go and test it. Okay, very good. Successful. Let us see the message notification test email sent successfully. If you go to your inbox, it is in spam. That is fine. If you open it, it has sent a nice clean email with a subject and message body, whatever we have. So at this time, the Lambda's unit testing is done. Let us go and prepare the agent. Make sure to go to agent and click save, save and exit, and then prepare. Type in your email message with the message and subject and then click run. Okay, so at this time we have a message. Let us debug and come back. After debugging, we found out that we forgot to grant permission in one place here, add permission here, and we forgot this typical thing, right? This is a normal thing. Somehow we forgot. Click the service, other, and do the usual stuff what we have been doing it. Give the principal as that name. The source ARN is your agent source ARN, and then this will be a Lambda invoke function, and then click save. This is what was missing earlier. Now go back to agent. Now copy the same message and then click run. Very good. Now the email is sent. Let's go to the email and take a look at it. So let us refresh the email box. Maybe it's in spam. Okay, good. So now we have received one email and I moved it to not a spam. If you open it, and this is the email which we just sent from the agent. So at this point, our email agent is working. Its Lambda is working. We have tested. I think we can call this as ready to go agent. So let us do one last step. go make sure to click properly, and then let us create the alias. Click the alias button here and then give a name. We need this name when we go to the supervisor agent, so that's why we are creating the alias. Put a name, it doesn't matter what name as long as you have the name. Create a name and click create alias. So that should be it. This completes this phase. Let us go to the next phase.